Good evening team. Today I will show you that how to approve the inspection report. Okay, please see the mail. When IAQ BU head, after the approval of RSI, the mail will go to the IAQ BU head if it is in CC. So this type of mail he can see on his screen for the IAQ BU head. After that, IAQ BU head has to log in to through this login link. He has to update here the CRM ID. He has to put the CRM ID and password, which will be provided for the approval. Then login. After that, CAPTCHA code. When he will log in, he will go to call update inspection approval. Here he can see the submission start date and end date. Here he has to select if he is login on the same day, then it is okay. Here if he want to change the date, he can change it over here. If he wants for the 1 month, he can change it for 1 month. And in this case, he can see all the pending approvals for the report. By default it is coming on the same day, so he has to select all the dates. Here is the inspection approval. After the ASI BSI approval, and download the report. He has to click on the inspection number. New window will be opening. Here they can put an email ID if they want to submit the same to anybody or their colleague or their employees, anybody. They can update the email ID over here. He can receive the mail also from here. After that, BU head will check. If you want to check the call details, what are the documentation has been uploaded, they can simply click on the call ID. Here you can see the call details, customer name, address, phone number and everything, and BU product codes, everything. If you want to see the documents, he can click over here, view and upload. Here fan inspection report, if you want to see, he can see fan inspection report. If you want to see this proof of purchase, that proof of purchase he can view over here. And serial number image, if you want to see, he can download it from here. If you want to download and open and see, you can download from here. The image will be downloaded, and after downloading, he can open and see the image. Okay, so here he can see the image. If you want to see the image, what is the defect and what is the issues, here you can see the image. Okay, so here by the BU head, he will check whether he want to approve, or if he see that if it is not in the 30 months warranty. If he want to reject, he can reject from here. If you want to approve, he can approve from here. If you want to reject, he can reject the call details here. For each and every call, you can select the details: model number, serial number, product, motor with PC, motor with stator, blade, stand, everything is available, or everything he can see. If it is under CC, it is under CUP, it is under CC. So it can be selected from the ASI and RS. So here he can see it is whether it is in CC, it is under CUP, what is the issue. If you want to see everything, you can see from here. If you want to reject, he can reject. If you want to approve, he can approve. Everything can be seen over here. And what is the previous remarks, he can see over here. What is the previous remark? Previous remark, test by Naval, test by Naval, test by Naval. Okay, so after that he can approve over here. As soon as he approves the details, another mail comes to the BU head. Here you can see it comes on a very short notice. It comes the mail over here. It will go to the IAQ salesperson. Okay, IAQ salesperson, and he will approve. He will check the details that unit has been offered 4 and it has been previous approval has been approved 3, because the BUK IAQ head has approved 3 and 1 has been rejected, so it has came over here 3. Then again sales head has to log in from the same login link which is given over here. He will update the login ID which will be provided. So 140. The procedure is same. He will go to the inspection report, call management, call update and inspection approval. You can search the report, select the inspection report, and which has been rejected, he can't do anything over here. And in CC and CUP also he can't do anything. He has to just, if he also wants to check the details, he can select over here, view and upload. Images he want to see, inspection reports he want to see, he can see over here. After that, he also want to approve. Okay, only 3 he can approve. Okay, and this approve. And after that, the final approval will come on mail with CC to everybody, including all these with mark to the warehouse, ASI and the this accounts, CC to everybody who has given the approval. Okay, if anything else, you can directly call to me. The procedure is same. Thank you.